Ending and beyond time.
Take a minute, catch your breath.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey Diaries with Ashish. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here the incredible Phoenix Mall of Asia where I'm going to show you the stunning waterfall that is digital. It is going to be the mesmerizing experience for me and you won't believe the atmosphere here after the dark. Here, as soon as I'm stepping inside, I'm going to take you through the different kind of premium shopping spots and show you why this place is alive at night. Stay with me. So guys, as soon as I'm stepping inside, first of all, I'm greeted by the beautiful architecture. You can see the beautiful interior, different kind of jumkas or blend with the good interior. You can see the ceiling design, it's looking very attractive, and just see the downside, it's looking awesome guys. Or here I can see the atmosphere is very calm, it's really breathtaking. You can see here different kind of shopping spots, all are premiums like sunglasses hunt. You can see it's amazing guys. Here you can see Bell Rose. It's a Belgium clothing brand. It's looking attractive. As I know, it's a clothing brand, but I don't know. Here they are just showing some electrical articles, or I don't know. Just see this beautiful ceiling architecture blend with modern and traditional way. It's really breathtaking. Or here I'm going to show you the beautiful artificial garden just in the center, in the heart of this mall. Just see the beauty of this guys. I don't know it is going to capture in a beautiful way in my camera or not, but there are many layers, like it is in rounding shape. You can see from here every floors. So everyone, in the left side you can see the Tory Burch. It's an American company known for its handbag, shoes and clothing. It's a blend of modern and aesthetic traditional clothing brands. Especially it is famous for handbags. Here you can see the good atmosphere. Again we can see the COS brand. It's an premier amazing brand for clothing. You can visit if you want. COS guys, it's very luxurious. So now we can walk in the corridor. Here we can see some person, they are walking with their family members, some with their friends, some are solo shoppers like me. Especially I'm not here for shopping purpose, I'm here for making the vlogs. But you can see the positive energy, it's like breathtaking guys. Oh my god guys, now you can see the beautiful architecture, the cascading installation that is coming towards downside, full of vibrant lights we can see. So it's looking very mesmerizing for me, it's very fascinated. You can see the beauty of this beautiful architecture. Really, it's very nice, yeah. Here you can see the Lens Crafters premium sunglasses shop again. I'm going to show you again the beautiful, stunning attire or the center part, the heart of this beautiful Mall of Asia. Okay, let's go this side. Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you every luxurious shopping spot what we can see in this beautiful architecture. So first we can see the Jara. You can see the left side. You will see the highlighted Naam. So Zara is a Hispanic originated company known for its very trending clothing or very affordable across the our country India, and it's very premium. The digital screen you can see, and with the stunning digital waterfall, you can see it's looking very attractive, guys. Don't you think as soon as I'm going upstairs, this falling cascading is looking very attractive? From here, you can see how it is looking very beautiful. The only clothing brand, or here we can see the Mango, the ultra luxurious brand, especially for women. But here we can see men section also. Vedo Moda, it's also for women, especially. Or again, you can see the stunning look of this beautiful architecture. Now we can see the next showroom is Bath and Body Works. It's an American company known for its cosmetics or fragrance. British luxurious company Charles Trewitt, only for men clothing, especially known for its wide range of clothing related to formal clothes, especially. Here again you can see the iPhone store where you can get your iPhone in this mall, Phoenix Mall of Asia. Here you can see Estee Lauder. It's an American company known for its skincare and fragrance, especially. It's very attractive. Swarovski, an Australian brand known for its jewelry, watches, and accessories. Now you can see Forest Essential luxurious brand. It's an Ayurvedic company founded in 2000 by Mira Kulkarni and known across the world. Charles and Kate, it's a Singaporean company known for its accessories, footwear, and handbags for women. The same Steve Madden, it's an American company for footwear or accessories for women. Here we can see Adidas. I think I don't need to tell about Adidas because everyone knows about this company. Here you can see the Goat Tea. It's a cafe known for its refreshing special tea or coffee, as I know. Or this is the middle area in the first floor, so where people are just enjoying, they are just relaxing. Some people they are having tea, snacks, or whatever they want. Just see the ceiling, everything is looking very fine. Again we can see the American brand, American Eagle. Okay, so this is my favorite Benetton. Okay, let's talk about this beautiful showroom. You know, since the childhood, it's my favorite, or it's known for its vibrant colors. Especially, it's very, very good according to me. Mark and Spencer, it's a British retailer brand known for clothing and small quantity items at home. Tanishq, we all know that it's an Indian jewelry brand known for its high quality gold or diamonds. You can see the XUV here. Anyone who is going to do more than 10,000 shopping in this mall, who can participate.
Sequence ending currently on hold.
Catch your breath.
Here you can see the Puma. Ajote, it's a fashion store for kids, women, and men for every items related clothing, related their small accessories or everything. You can see a mini show right now. It closed because time is 10 o'clock, above 10 o'clock. Mokobara, it's an Indian brand for travel luggage. They believe in modernity. Here I found a very interesting thing, guys. This is ground floor. Here you can see Loyal World Market, Pantaloons. On this floor you can see Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, Ellen Soli. If you wanna go for first floor, then you can find out Zara, H&M, Lifestyle. On second floor you can get Max, Trends, Maneuver. On third floor you can get Futopia, Ishara, Punjabi Grill. So they are the well-known Indian or international. Here you can see Pantaloons. Now you can see the ultra luxurious, the collective Bose, and in front of like next of Bose you can see Armani. They are very ultra luxurious shopping center here in this beautiful Phoenix Mall of Asia. This is the dream of every person. Baby Forest, it's an Indian Ayurvedic company for newborn baby or for the mothers especially. Again you can see the shining cascade just going to the downside. It's looking very fantastic here. Handmade masalas, you can see there are many things that you are going to explore if you are going to visit in this a beautiful Phoenix Mall of Asia. So guys, finally I am on the top floor, or I can say on the third floor, where we are going to see different kinds of food cart, especially the international. Like you can see every type of cuisine here. You can see here the Korean food, the Chinese food, Japanese, every country's food here you can taste on that floor. Here you are going to watch different kinds of food carts, different kinds of cafes, or in one of the corner here I just see there are three movie theater. One of them is Inox, or there is two others. So these are the three theaters here: Inox, Insignia, the other one you can see. Again, this is the restaurant or cafe, I don't know. This is on top of the floor. As I am going forward, I can see KFC here. There are many restaurants and cafes. Here you can see lots of varieties, especially on top of the floor. You can see some other shops like VIP or luggage shop. They all are restaurants, guys. So here you can enjoy with your family.
Clean and
Take a minute, catch your breath. Take a minute, pass your test. pass your test. Take it easy, take a step. Take a seat and be my guest.
So finally guys, I have explored the beautiful Mall of Asia, where I have explored all the premium shopping spot, and here I have seen the beautiful interior of this beautiful mall, and also on the top of floor, I think 5th or 6th floor, I have seen here all the food spot, very luxurious, all the international like Hong Kong, Korean, China. Here you can have every kind of food. So literally I've enjoyed in this beautiful Mall of Asia. I hope as soon as possible you are going to step inside in this beautiful mall. So I hope you are enjoying my beautiful journey. We will meet in the next vlog as soon as possible.